Hey YouTubers, just want to make a quick video showing parts from an old Dell 530, I believe, and a few other computers that was just mixed and matched. I'm also going to be buying a few new parts. So altogether I'm going to try to make a badass 2011 Windows Home server. So I'm just going to do a quick view of everything and show you all what I have so far. A few of the things are in boxes from a previous computer build I did using an MSI board and ballistics and a few other badass companies. Yeah. So first off, I'll be starting off with the case it came in. This is the original case. It looks completely different than how it used to. See, it's all scratched up and everything. You can see the white coming out from underneath. I spray painted it because I thought the white just looked so damn boring in it. It looked a lot better. It's just been sitting around in my closet lately. So I also did a different paint job on it once where it was white with the yin yang symbol on it. I'll include the picture of that and what one brand new would originally look like. Other than that, it was a pretty good case, just kind of boring. Next up, I got the power unit. This is the stock power unit, and it still works pretty good. You know, I haven't had any problems with it. I just peeled off the stickers from the bottom of the case, so I have the information still. It's just a regular, old, cheapo one, you know, stock. Nothing special about it. 300 watts. Got what I need. 12 pin. Got 2, and then another 2, and plus this, which I need to figure out what exactly that's for. I think that's just to extend. In this box, I just got a bunch of little screws and stuff to hold it in. All the screws. Don't worry, this is from a different computer I built. That's the boot drive for. Computer right over there. So the hard drives, I need to buy a few different ones. This one right here, this right now has Windows Vista on it. This with some photos and everything. I believe it's a 240 gig. But I'm going to retire this after I make a backup of it onto the server. Probably going to do one boot drive with a copy of it, and then either 1 or 2 terabyte drives, one for networking and another as a backup for that one. Here's another drive. I might actually use this one. I believe this is, let's see, this is a 250 as well right here. Got a few cables, static cables. Need to get a few more and don't have very many. My other computer used up a lot of these. There's 2 fans from it. I'm going to clean up either that one. I'm just going to get some nicer ones with just some white LEDs. I think that'd be pretty cool. I also have the Seagate 500 gigabyte external hard drive. I store a lot of stuff on this. It is very reliable. I like it a lot. I'm also going to use this for it and do backups of it for computers and phones, all that good stuff. In here, we got the brains, the motherboard. So I believe for Windows home server, you need at least a 1.7 gigahertz processor and 2 gigabytes of RAM. So for the specs, that's pretty dang low. And then you need a 160 gigabyte boot drive at least, at the very minimum. And I think with a second package of it, you have to have the drives and they all have to be the same. So that's just that. Underneath is the stock CPU. Nothing special. And in this box, I got the memory. Let it focus in. There we go. This is 4 gigabytes too, just in my ballistics for my other computer. I was using an 8 gigabyte and it was a single stick. I also have a wireless card, even though it needs to be straight through Ethernet. I'm gonna see if I'm able to use that for something else possibly, and then a CD drive just for installing the OS, since that's the only way you're able to do it unless you preload it onto a stick yourself. Might do that, might not, still indecisive. Okay, so now to build everything, you know, you need some pretty good tools. So this is just a little toolkit I got from Christmas from my step-grandmother. Things are just kind of mixed and matched because I've been using it the past few days. Got some Allen keys. This right here, the most niftiest thing ever. All you do is press, get your little thing, you know. Let's see. You can just pick up screws. It's really good for doing that. I love that mostly when it's in test places. You need a Sharpie, you know, in case you need to label any cords or anything like that. For straps so you don't get any static electricity. And you got your bits, some more bits, extended Phillips, wire crimper, not crimper, stripper, sorry. And then also some pliers. And then tiny little one where you can just put it on in your pocket. Like I said, there's a bunch of other craps just randomly thrown around right now. So, yeah, so comment, like, subscribe, do whatever. Let me know if you guys want to see this, and I'll definitely keep you guys updated on stuff I buy, unboxing, all the new stuff. Next thing I'm going to do right after this video is I'm going to figure out what kind of case I need. If it's an ATX, mini ATX, you know, I doubt it is. Just need to figure out what case I need. Gonna get that, the OS, and then 2 or 4 drives. So, yeah. Like I said, like, subscribe.